How to show estimated delivery date for your Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. So this video is going to be me showcasing how to showcase, okay, so how to show the estimated delivery dates for your products within Shopify. Now you will need to actually have the information beforehand and know the estimated time for delivery. So if you're doing international work and stuff, it may need to take more time to set up, and it's not going to be as easy as you think. But you will need to obviously have the information. But if it's more of a one place kind of thing, it's going to be much easier. So you can have a specific like time duration, and it's going to have an estimate duration for the delivery. So regardless of your situation, this is going to be the steps that you will need to take. And let's actually go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is actually have products, obviously, because you will need to choose the products that you want this to apply to. Now, next up, you'll need to go to apps and navigate here, where you'll be able to go to all recommended apps and go to Shopify App Store. Now, there are going to be plenty of apps that are going to help you with this problem. That are basically just type in estimate delivery dates, and I will show you what I mean. So you will find a lot of apps here that are going to help you with this problem, and they are going to give you solutions on showing the estimated delivery date. Now there are going to be apps that are free or have free plans. Some of them have a free trial. It depends on which one you think is best. Now I will be using estimated delivery date plus because it does have a free plan, meaning that you can actually not pay for it, and you can pay later on if it actually keeps working for you and you see the improvement for it. You can go ahead and pay for the basic and or even pro. But for the time being, the free one should suffice, because here you can see global setting support, which is going to apply to your products. Here you'll be able to manage 100 products, and you will also add holiday setting support, which you're going to add holidays, which could change the delivery date estimation. So you can just review all of the things that this app is going to offer for you on your own here. You can just come to this page and you can just review them yourself. But I'm not going to do that. I will just go ahead and actually install it and show you how to use it. So again, estimated delivery date plus, this is the one that I will be using. So, by the way, before you get started, you could like possibly test out other apps from here, and they should all have the same idea. Just make sure it has free plan available if you want it to be for free, and it should be good to go. Just make sure the reviews are good. So it's not necessarily this one, and this is going to be like the best or something. Just is my preference, and you can just see for yourself within this video whether you like it or not. If not, just try out a different app, but this one should actually be more than enough if you're just starting out. So we just go ahead and click on install, and we just install the app. Here we fulfill the installation process, or complete it, I mean. Just give it a little bit of time, and here we will be able to set up things for our estimated time for delivery. So the first thing that we will need to do is enable the app. That is going to be very simple. Just click on the enable button here. You just click on it and it's going to enable it for you. So with that, we can also activate app extension from within the customization of the theme. Is going to take us there, and you should make sure that it is turned on. By default, it's going to be off. Just turn it on, and it's going to enable the extension for you. And here you can already see that it is working. Now, don't worry, we've got plenty of settings to go through that is going to help us manage all of this. The like when it comes to looks, when it comes to everything, we can change it. So ordered, order ready by, and then delivered by. So first, we just need to enable this, and we will come back to this later. So we just click on save. So if you completely like the way it is, like currently, then you are pretty much ready to go. It's working for you. Like good for you. You have it ready and done. But no, not really necessarily because you didn't really set up the estimated time for delivery. That is going to be customized by you. So here we go back to our dashboard for the app, and here we can see the widget and message text. This one is the one they have just seen underneath the buy now button. We can completely remove this if you don't want it. So if you don't offer free shipping, if you don't want to include any of this, you can completely remove it. It's completely fine. You just hit save, and that's completely fine by you. If you want it back, you can just put it back again, and you can use those variables to use them in this text place, and you can just type something that is going to be completely customizable by you. Now here you can see custom out of stock message. If you want to have a custom message for that, you can just enable it and type it over here, and you can again use the variables in here if you want. Progress bar widgets, whether you want it to be basic or advanced. If you want it to be advanced, you will see how it's going to look like. You can see always the preview on the right side. If it's basic, it's going to look like that. If it's advanced, you will see it like this. I will keep it as basic, and let's just scroll down a little bit. Here you should find the order status, whether it's ordered, and you can see the icon here, which you can change. So you can make it this if you want a check, and then again you can change the text for it. I'm just going to keep it the same, but if you want to change the text for it, you can do so. Same goes for order ready, which is this one. You can change the icon. Let's just make it I don't know, gift. I think this is going to be suitable a little bit. Change the text, and you can also component display status. You can disable that if you want completely, but let's just keep it on, just to give our customers a better idea of the date and stuff. And here, if you want to change the title, you can do so. Now the last one is going to be order delivery, and you delivered. And you can see again, change the icon and stuff. I'm just going to keep this everything the same here. So that's the first tab, which is going to be the widgets. Here you can go to settings, and you can set up the order delivery working days, so you can make sure that the working days are set up. Same goes here for the range, minimum days, maximum days. Here you can obviously change that. This is going to be where you will need to have the information prior. So here you can just set up to become, so minimum days is going to be 5, and maximum days is going to be 15, for example. Oh, sorry, what did I just do? So let me just decrease that to become 15. There you go. So it's going to show whether you want it to be only minimum days, or whether you want it to be maximum days and minimum days, which I prefer to keep the first one. I do not suggest that you change this. And then you've got plenty of other options here to set. I'm not going to go through all of them because there's a lot of things here. So order ready, whether you want it to show any of those, it's completely up to you. If you want to add holidays, you can just add the format. Like you can see the holiday dates here, you can add them in here, and it's going to be accounted for. The date format, you can change. I like to keep it like so. And you can see now it's much better for me personally. If you want to change the format, it's going to be also completely up to you. We can do it with this format. Basically, it's a format that is going to be specific for you and how you like it to be. And here you can again change the format for countdown and other stuff here as well. Time zone, make sure it's going to be the first one. So adapt to the time zone based on the visitor. Countdown mode, whether it's going to be every day or without the working days and so on. So just make sure you set up the rest of the stuff here. Next is going to be the appearance. Here you can see the stuff, the colors and everything. You can change the icon color to become something else. Let me just keep it the same. I'm not going to really mess with that much. And then we can go to advanced settings. So as you can see, there's plenty of settings here to go through. But the most important ones are going to be the date range settings here, which you will be able to set up the actual estimated time for delivery, depending on you and how you see things are fit. And also, one more thing that I want to mention, which is very important, is that if we go to advanced here, we can click on product. And as you can read, you can actually configure things to be product specific. So individually for each product, you can set up things by just going to the product option page here. You can go to it, you can just click on the product that you want and set things up for a specific product by just clicking on edit here. And you can see the setting here. You can see the minimum days, maximum days, exactly how you want it to be. The one that we have just done was actually just general settings. So for all products, unless you want to change a specific thing for a specific product, then that would be different. You would actually want to go here and change it from there. And I believe you can also do the same thing for a category. So with that being done, we can just go to our online store. We can go to view it. And let's go to our product page and see if it's working or not. So if you just go to this product, we can click on it and you can see that it is available here for us. And if you have done any changes, then it is also going to be applied. So if you change the color or whatever it may be, it's going to be completely applied. And if you add text, you can just show it on top here if you want. So that's pretty much it, how to show estimated delivery times within your Shopify store. That's a very easy example and for free again. So I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.